Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another review. Today we'll be taking a look at a Lego magazine, and this is actually pretty cute. A friend of mine got it for me at some local store. I think it was like a food store, and it's really cool. I thought these were only available like in Europe. I see a lot of European posters on Instagram sharing these little Lego poly bags on these magazines, and I've always wanted them. There's loads of cool little poly bags out there attached to these, and some of them come with exclusive figures, exclusive parts and whatnot, and I'm super happy to finally have one of them. Inside there's some cool renders of different dinosaurs that you don't actually see in Lego sets, in little comics and stuff. Like they have the brachiosaurus, I think. See, there's a render there. You can see two different colors of brachios, very cute. And I think there's also the allosaurus from the show on TV. So they've got one or two different renders of the allosaurus, which we don't have in Lego form, but that would probably be something that might be coming out soon, because, you know, it's realistic to have it. It's a big part of the franchise. I guess a big part of the Lego show franchise, at least. So it would make sense if it came out. And the brachio, too. But probably not. Who knows? Another weird thing is you actually see the Triceratops from a very old lineup. From, I think, 2011 or 2010, the Lego Dino series. So that's pretty interesting that they've got that in here. I actually have 2 minutes left of battery life, but we'll see if we can fit in this bag. Just do it real quick. I might be chancing it. And on the back of the bag you can see there's a scale dart, so you know how big, I guess, the Lego is. So let's dump all the pieces out, and they all just rolled into the grass. Probably not a good idea to be doing it outside. So let's do this quick. Let's speed run this. The instructions are inside, but I'm gonna wing it because we're pressed for time. I've got a minute of film left. Ay, guys. I think I'm missing a computer screen. Where'd that go? There it is. So there's this screen. And there we have it. There's the set. Okay. Still got a minute. This is good. So the set comes with an egg, comes with Dr. Wu, and comes with a little raptor, probably based off of Delta or Charlie. And that's really cute. That's a great way to get more small raptors for your Lego collection. Love this figure too. He's got his little evil smirk on. And love the amber piece. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm out of battery time, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.